So this is my website which I have created in HTML code. So you can see here. Here is a paragraph about our college, and here is a feedback form which you can fill, like my name. After filling my name, you can fill your stream like electrical, mechanical, electronics. Also there is a radio button for male and female, and then you can also submit here. And here is a notice board where I have put many bullets and points, and here are some of the images. These are the images and these are the GIF files. Each of the home, about us and contact has a hyperlink which takes us to another web page. As we click on home, we will go to our college's website, that is our Ramakrishna Mission Shilpa Mandira, and the full web page will be visible here. In the same way, if we click on about us, then we go to the Ramakrishna Mission Shilpa Mandira on the shiksha.com website. Okay, so this is directed to this page, and if we click on contact, then we are taken to the Ramakrishna Mission Shilpa Mandira Wikipedia website where all details are there. So there is a HTML code running on the background, which is this. At first the HTML head etc is declared, then the title is there. This part is actually the CSS part, and after that the background is taken. That is the background, means this is the background. Okay, and after that on the center the cell spacing, cell padding, border etc are given, and the height and width of the table are given. Height and width of the table means here is a table which has 3 columns and 4 rows, so all these are here. So the cell spacing and cell padding are given, and height width are also declared here, and the column span, that is 3 columns will be there, is declared here, with the background image is set, which is the Ramakrishna Mission Shilpa Mandira background. That means the first one, that means this image, and the background color is navy for the home and about us and contact. Here you can see the navy blue color. The column span is 3, background color is purple, the marquee behavior is scroll in on the direction left, and the text is new admission going on. This part is actually this, the background color is purple, the scroll direction is from towards the left, and the text is new admission going on, and the font color is white. So this part is this. The TD means the column, TR means the row part, and TD means the column part. On the center this paragraph is declared, and after paragraph BR means line break, and B bold text of the with the size 5, the Ramakrishna Mission Shilpa Mandira. Each line after we want break, we have given the BR under the opening and closing tags, and with the image src code, the GIF image file is given here. You can see here, and the height and width are also declared here, 100, and then the column is ended. After that, on the next column is the feedback form, where the label is enter name. You can see here the label enter name. Input type is text, so I have inputted here the text with my keyboard, and what will be the type, that is name, and label is stream. Here there are many options like electrical, electronics, mechanical, that means here are all the options. Okay, so this part is like this, and there is the radio buttons, that is input type is radio, and this is the code for this. So here the radio button will be there. After this there is a submit. Input type is submit. You can also give the input type here as reset beside the submit, but here I have given one to because the getup is much more professional. Now the font size is 5 for this part, the last part. Here I have used unordered list, okay, and here I have used disk. So under the list section I have to write all the description here what I want to write, and we have to then close the unordered list tab. Then comes the images part. Here I have given 3 images on 2 rows. That means on the first row I have given on the first column the first image that is this. On the second column I have given a GIF file, which is this, and on the third column I have given this image. Again on the second row I have given on the first column this image, the second column this GIF image, and on the third column this Android image. And then I have ended the code with the center body. This was the body, whole body was there, that how will be the web page, whole web page, and then at the last the closing tag with the HTML. So this was the whole code in short, in brief, and this is the output of the whole web page after writing the whole code. So in this way you can design many type of web pages.